In this video series, we will complete a Revit structural project in small, easy steps. Please subscribe our channel for future updates. In our previous video, we have created grids. Now let's define structural columns. Go to Structure ribbon and click on Columns button. Now from the Properties panel, choose Concrete Rectangular Column Type. Select one column and then click on Edit Type. Now we will make our column by clicking on Duplicate. Write 9" by 18" in the name box. Now we will change the parameters of dimension: 9" in width and 18" in depth. In Type Mark parameter, write C1. Our column C1 is defined. Now let's draw this column. We will draw this column from top of footing to level 2. Open top of footing plan. Now change option from depth to height. Select level to as top of this column. We will draw columns at all grid intersection. Click on Add Grids button. Now select grids in horizontal direction and then press and hold Control button. And then select grids in vertical direction. We can see our columns have been created at all grid intersections. Now click on check mark to finish command. Now let's view columns in 3D view. Our columns are ready. In our next video, we will create beams in Revit. What do you think about the video? Let me know in the comment section below. If you enjoyed this video and want to hear from me again, be sure to hit that subscribe button before you go. Thanks for watching.